Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the Grinch's hand holding a Christmas ornament. It's a pretty famous image of him holding one. It's just going to be his hand and that. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So that's pretty much it. Let's get started, okay? Stay to the very end of the video. The video is only like 8 minutes, and that is all. Let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It's going to let you know when I post more videos. So let's get started. First thing I do is I'm going to curve. Well, first thing I do is draw the ornament. So I'm going to draw a. No, I'm going to draw the hand first. I'm going to go over here, draw the knuckle of the hand, pulling down. Curving in over here, curve in. So he's going to be holding it like this, right? So that's kind of what we're doing. We're more or less right now almost drawing abstract shapes. It's not even like pulling in, back, zigzag, zigzag here along the back of the hand. So he's got that fur, right? Or is that what you call it, fur? Or is it hair with him? I never heard anybody say he has fur. I think he's got like hair, right? Because he's like a Whoville or guy or whatever. Zigzag for the wrist and down. Straight down. So what you're doing is we're drawing the sleeve. He's got like that Santa sleeve on, and I'm gonna continue these zigzags downward. Go over here on this side, pull down, curve. I did a little zigzag there too because, you know, there is some furriness to that wristband that he has on for the Santa suit. Line over top. Down. Going over here, and I'm gonna do the rest of this Santa suit, right? The sleeve, not all of it, but just enough of it. Go over here as well. Let's draw his other fingers. His other fingers are going to be sticking out. So right here, we're going to draw his other finger. Like that. Got that little fur texture. All you're doing is zigzagging it, really. Going over here. Line down. Right there. And now we're gonna, that's a string, we're gonna go down into the ornament. Line over here, down like a little box for the top of the ornament. And then I'm gonna curve down over, see? Go over here, curve underneath. And now you have that's the ornament pretty much, right? You have that ornament. What you can do now is put in a little shine, curvature here, down, down, curvature. Line underneath. Maybe a little bit of a thicker line from here because there will be shadow. It's not like we're drawing shadow, we're just putting a little bit of a thicker line because usually light comes from above, and you have a little bit of a shadow pattern on here. But yeah, let's. I'm gonna put some quick colors for you just to kind of make it obvious. But that's pretty much the end of the lesson. I'm gonna do it down really quick. Right here, just put some quick colors. And while I'm doing this, I'll talk to you, okay? Because this stuff is really just, you just put down flat colors. It's easy. I'll talk to you a little bit about drawing. If you're looking to get better at drawing, go to the description. The description has a free ebook. I don't know if I put it actually on this one yet, but it has, I have other pages. There's longer tutorials, shorter. If you're really trying to become a better artist all around, go check out the description. There's a lot, there's playlists, there's all kinds of cool stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much what is going on with the playlist. And also, if you do like the video, press the like button. That actually helps with the algorithm. Whoa, that smells. That marker smells. It actually helps with the algorithm, and it kind of, what it really does is it lets me know what it is that you want to see more of. Because if you're like, oh cool, I like the Grinch, I want to see more Grinch, you can write it in the description, or you can press like on the video, because the like is going to let me know exactly what you're talking about, and that's going to help so much more in me deciding what to put. I'm going to give it a red ornament here, because I already have red, right? Why not? But the Grinch is one of my favorite movies, by the way, so I'm very happy to kind of be able to draw it now as an adult. I don't know what I think about the Jim Carrey movie. I thought that was kind of weird. I'd like to watch all those Grinch movies again. Now, I guess now's the time to do that, right? It's Christmas time. Whew. Oh, those markers smell. So I only used 2 right there. Real simple coloring. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you guys have done. If you have any questions, reach out to me. That's the easiest thing you can do, is reach out to me in the comments section. I'll answer any questions. But like this whole month is going to be entirely dedicated to Christmas, as you guessed. After that, we're going to go back into maybe more Halloween-ish related stuff. But right now, Christmas is it. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. And yeah, see you later. Keep it positive, everybody.